Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of our WhatsApp being banned temporarily. For that you need to open up your Chrome browser, and the reasons could be several, like you have been using modified WhatsApp, GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, or you might be trying to hack into someone's WhatsApp, so you might have violated the terms and conditions of WhatsApp. That's why you might have been banned. So for that, just open up browser and search for WhatsApp, then select the very first link. After that, you need to scroll down to the very end, and here you will find this section called Contact Us. Just click on it, then click on Contact Us on WhatsApp Messenger support. After that, you need to provide your phone number over here, email address, then confirm your email address, then choose the device that you are using your WhatsApp on, or you were using your WhatsApp on. Then after that, type the message over here like, "Hello WhatsApp team, I have unintentionally used the modified WhatsApp without the awareness of consequences. Please help me get my WhatsApp back." And after that, just type "thanking you," then provide your name over here and click on next step. After that, you will be able to receive an email from WhatsApp. They will be able to help you out with the resumption of your account, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.